this message.
It's not much of a code, is it, really? It's so much braking.
If the German Navy had a code like that in World War II, we'd have beaten them in about a week, because it would have said, the destroyers are to the left.
The interesting thing for me is the punishment. You may remember last year or year before, McLaren were caught looking over somebody's shoulder and copying their homework. And they were fined $100 million and had all their points taken away. Ferrari, for this infringement, were fined $100,000, which is what they pay Alonso every day.
Really? That's all they were fined for completely corrupting the outcome of a world championship?
It's disgusting, and actually the only honourable course of action is that for all Ferrari owners, all of them, to go outside now and smash their cars up.
Yeah. I think burn them.
Yeah, and then kill themselves.
Yeah.
Just because it's the only decent thing to do, really, all Ferrari owners.
What I actually think, I'm not just saying this because of all that stuff you've just been through, but I think Ferrari were right, actually, to do that.
I couldn't agree with you more. I mean, team orders, they should allow them, no question. Because if I ran a team, I'd have one really fast car, then I'd have some, well, me, basically, driving around at the back, and anyone who tried to lap me, I'd shoot them with a BB gun.
That's a team.
Yeah, that's just
Work
or a
together.
paintball gun.
Yeah, just fit your second car with a massive wing that nobody can get past. Yeah, at the back, nobody can get past.
Well, yeah, I'd definitely do that. Now, Peter Mandelson, you may remember, he introduced the scrappage scheme. The idea being that if you bought a new car, you could get £2,000 for your old one, irrespective of its actual value. Now, so many people took him up on his offer, they couldn't crush the cars fast enough. Okay, seriously, they were building up on airfields. We've got a picture of the scale of the problem.
They're all
I
waiting to be
kid you
crushed.
not. Now, if you zoom in on the cars here that we're talking about, look at this.
What's a Mercedes A-Class?
There's a Mercedes E-Class
That's a
here.
nice Freelander.
I know, it's just...
These are just cars.
I mean, it's just fantastic. And there's another picture here of some 4x4s. Now, I'm sorry, but look at that. There's Cherokees and Shoguns. I know, a Land Rover.